Have you ever had that feeling? A flicker of doubt in the corner of your mind that the world around you isn't quite as solid as it seems? That the unshakable laws of reality might just be suggestions. Most of us dismiss it, a trick of the light, a moment of fatigue. But what if that feeling is a glimpse behind the curtain, a hint at a much deeper, more unsettling truth? What if science itself holds the keys to dismantling our own reality? Consider the elegant yet terrifying logic of the Fermi Paradox. The concept of time travel is a fantasy until you realize that the laws of physics don't explicitly forbid it. But should you succeed, should you step back into the past and prevent your own grandfather from meeting your grandmother, you create a causal loop that is simply impossible. You would not have been born to travel back in time, therefore the event could never be prevented. And you would be born, and so on, forever. This isn't just a fun thought experiment. It's a profound statement about the nature of time. It suggests that time is not a river we can navigate, but a solid block of interwoven cause and effect. Where the past and future are already written, unchangeable, our sense of free will, our belief that we are authors of our own destiny, shatters against this single, brutal paradox. If the nature of time is a prison, then what about space? We look up at a night sky filled with a septillion stars, countless galaxies spiraling in the darkness, each a potential home for life. The numbers are so vast that the universe should be teeming with civilizations, a cosmic metropolis buzzing with signals and activity, yet we hear nothing. This is the Fermi Paradox, the great, terrifying silence. Where is everybody? Are we truly the first? A statistical miracle alone in an infinite void? Or is there something else at play? A great filter that systematically destroys civilizations before they can reach for the stars? Perhaps the silence isn't because space is empty, but because venturing out, making noise, is the most dangerous thing a species can do. The silence implies a threat, a hidden rule to the cosmic game that we are dangerously close to breaking. From the impossibly large to the impossibly small, the final crack in our reality appears at the quantum level. In our world, a thing is either here or it's there. A cat is either alive or it's dead. But in the quantum realm, a particle exists in all possible states at once, a ghostly cloud of probability, until the moment it is observed. The very act of looking at something forces it to choose a state to become real. This means that on a fundamental level, reality itself is not concrete until a conscious observer interacts with it. This bizarre truth leads to the most chilling conclusion of all: simulation theory. If reality requires an observer to exist, and if its fundamental laws contain paradoxes that seem to resemble the limitations of a computer program, could it be that our entire universe is a fabrication? The time travel paradox becomes a rule against breaking the program's core code. The Fermi Paradox exists because the simulation has not rendered other players. The quantum weirdness is simply the universe's code resolving itself when we look too closely. These aren't just stories. They are legitimate questions born from the heart of physics, pointing to a universe far stranger and less stable than we could ever imagine.